Okay, hey everybody, Terry Brown here. Hey, stay with me for the next few moments, and I've got something very exciting to share with you. But I want to take you in first, and let's look at the power thought for this video. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so here's our power thought for this video. The height of your accomplishments will equal the depth of your convictions. The height of your accomplishments will equal the depth of your convictions. My goodness, what a powerful thought by William Scolavino. All right, let's get into it. Okay, your most desirable life. Sometimes we call it, our best life, a life we love, the life of our dreams, okay? And here it says success is waiting for you, a simple, proven system to your success. And in the description area of this video, of course, we've got some information concerning some business opportunities, fine, low cost, high profit potential business opportunities. Okay. Now, sometimes it seems that life is not all it should be or even could be. And sometimes in our hearts, there is often a longing for something different or something more than what we have. At times, there is a longing, a sense for how we believe life is meant to be. At times, there is a longing, there's a sense for how we believe life is meant to be. And when those senses are heightened, it is a good time to contemplate the direction of our lives. When was the last time you took the time to consider whether the current direction of your life was in tune with the deepest desires of your heart? Would you say it has been a while, or maybe you never have? A lot of people say that making a lot of money is their idea of success. To build your most desirable life, according to some, begins with asking ourselves the question: what is important about success to you? And we personalize it. What is important about success to me? Okay. We know that success means different things to different people. Okay. Okay. Now we know that money is important, but money is not the end all be all. Okay. What money does, if we think about it, it helps us to get the things that we truly enjoy, that we desire, and obviously even need, okay? But things that we enjoy, things that we desire, like time freedom, okay? To be able to spend more time with family and friends, to be able to help other people, okay? Financial freedom, to make extra money, to get some money to help us build our own business, okay, or add money for our retirement fund, etc. And you probably have some things that you want to add to that list, okay? But the thing is, it's about desire, okay? We want to get the money to help us get the things that we enjoy, that we desire. And I have found that it is better to focus on what money can help you do, or what money can do for you, and not so much on the making of the money. Okay. Because if we can focus on what we desire, that will strengthen our effort in making money. Why? Because we're focusing on what we truly desire deep down in our hearts. Okay. So focus on what you want money to do for you and go for it. Okay, now in closing, when it comes to making money, I'm introducing two amazing programs. Okay, one is Easy 20 Now. That system, one time out of pocket, $30, boom, you're in business. Okay, and the potential is you can actually make hundreds of dollars per day in that program. Okay. And it's one time. Oh, did I say one time out of pocket? Yeah. Okay. That's what I meant. That's what I meant to say. All right. And the other is Nexus Rewards, which is another wonderful program. Okay. It's low cost. It's $10 a month, $40 one time out of pocket. Okay. And wonderful systems. Okay. So, if you're looking for great home-based business opportunities, low cost, high profit potential businesses, you've got to check those out. Okay. And we help you promote. Those of you who are really getting into the business, we're going to help you in promotion and all those types of things. So grab the links in the description area of the video. Okay. Follow our simple, proven system to your success. Okay. Okay, but there you have it for this video. And thank you so much for taking a few moments to check it out. I'm Terry Brown, wishing you a blessed and awesome, amazing, magnificent day today. Bye-bye now.